Yes, good morning, students. So, in today's class, let us study the 16th problem. The following particulars. ಇದನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾರೂ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. I want everybody to submit your notes on Thursday. Please remember those things. If not, I will deduct your internal marks. This is for sure. Okay, coming back to your problem, the following particulars are extracted from the costing records of Maha Manufacturing Company for the year ended 31st March 2015. So purchase of raw materials, it will go directly to direct material. Productive wage, it will go to your direct wages. Unproductive wage, factory. Depreciation on plant, factory. Haulage on factory. Factory rent on factory. Salaries of factory will go to factory. Audit fees, office and administration. Office manager salary, office and administration. Sales, that is finished goods, 24 lakh. So what does it mean? Sales is 24 lakh. So coming to your next thing, carriage inward, you will add it under your direct material. Motive power, it is factory overhead. Gas, it is used in factory. Next is factory lighting, will go to factory. Product design expenses will go to factory. Repair on plant, factory. Office rent will go to office and administration. Printing and stationery will go to office and administration. General expenses will go to office and office and administration. After that, raw materials, this is opening stock, that is you will add your opening stock, and this is the closing stock which should be deducted. So raw materials, direct material, you will add this. Direct material, you will deduct your closing stock. Work in progress, you will take it under your factory overhead. You will add factory overhead, you will deduct. Coming to finished goods, you can see here 3,200 tons will go under your units column. 1,28,000 under your total column. Per unit you have to find out. Coming back to finished goods, only 6,400 tons is given. You will write it under your units column. After writing it under your units column, you will multiply the 6,400 into cost of production. Cost of production. Here it is 6,400 into cost of production. You will write what is the amount. You will write that amount in the brackets. You need not deduct with it, I am telling you. So coming back, advertising, discount, selling are 4 rupees per ton. It says advertising, that goes under your selling and distribution, 4 rupees per ton. So leftover units into 4 rupees you will do. So you can see the leftover is 48,000. So 48,000 into 4 rupees you will do. After that, you have 51,200 tons are produced. So you need not use the formula. You will straight away use 51,200 units. But there is a calculation only during your finished goods. That is, you will add 51,200 along with your opening stock 3,200 tons. And you will deduct your finished goods 6,400. So the leftover will be 48,000, which will be sold at 24 lakhs. Okay, so this is the problem. So coming to your next problem, that is the following. Yes, the following information has been extracted from the books of company engaged in the manufacture of a firm for June 2015. Okay. Stock as on, this will be the opening stock, this will be the closing stock. Materials, that is, will go to direct material. So direct material, there is only, let it be clear, 1 minute, yes. Direct material, there is only closing stock of 2000 which should be deducted under your direct material. So under work in progress, you have three things. What are those things? Materials, wages and overheads. If only work in progress is given, you will take it under factory overhead. But in work in progress, there are three things which is divided. So this material will go to direct material, that is, you will add your opening stock, you will deduct your closing stock. Wages will go to direct wages, you will add the opening stock, you will deduct the closing stock. Overheads, you will take it under your factory overhead, you will add the opening and close the closing stock. But you will write work in progress material, work in progress wages, work in progress overhead. This is how you will write in these things. Coming back, purchases will go to direct material, electric power is used under your factory, income tax deducted. So here you have to remember your income tax is being deducted. So what you have to do is you have to take it under your factory overhead. Sorry, 1 minute. Income tax deducted at source. Income tax paid. Okay. Income tax paid, when it says that it should be taken under your wages, direct wages, you will add your income tax which is deducted. Okay. So selling expenses will go to selling and distribution. Oil and cotton will be used again in factory overhead. Consumable stores again in factory overhead. After that you have wages which will go to direct wages. 200 worth gift articles were used by the employees. Okay. You are required to prepare the statement showing the cost of the month of June. Okay. Now what is this 200 rupees which is used as a gift? That should be deducted after selling and distribution overhead. This should be deducted after selling and distribution. What is this worth gift? Might be you are giving some gifts to the consumers who wants to purchase your product. That 200 rupees worth gift is used by the employees. So where should it be deducted? Under selling and distribution overhead. Okay. When it comes to the solution, you will write your direct material. You will write the opening stock which is nil. Okay. Purchases, you will write 1,42,680. There is opening stock of work in progress which is 15,000. There is closing stock of work in progress which should be deducted which is 2,600, and there is main direct material of closing stock which is 2,000 should also be deducted. Next is your direct wages. You have direct wages 42,000. You will add your income tax which is paid and you will add your opening stock of wages and you will deduct your closing stock of wages. You will have your prime cost. After that, factory overhead items will be written. You will have your factory cost. Later you will write your selling expenses. That is, you have to deduct your gift articles which is used by the employees which is 200 rupees. So the total cost will be 2,58,080. In this particular problem, when you observe, there is no such sales given. So when there is no sales given, you cannot find out whether it is a profit or a loss. So you will stop your problem under your total cost. So this particular problem is finished. Coming to your next problem, you have another 3 problems, I believe. Yes, 18th, 19th and 20. So we are doing your 18th problem right now. Okay. let us solve your 18th problem. The following particulars are obtained from the financial accounts of Manu Cable Limited for the month of June 2015. Purchase of materials will go to direct material. Unproductive wage will go to factory overhead. If it is a productive wage, then it is a direct wage. Showroom expenses, selling and distribution. Carriage inward will go to direct material. Carriage outward, selling and distribution. Import duty on purchases. You are purchasing and you are having import duty which should be added under your direct material. Motive power which will go to factory overhead. Returns outward. So what is that returns outward? So returns outward, when you see, you are returning outward. What you have bought, you will return it back. So that will be under your direct material. Under your direct material, it should be deducted. So it should be deducted under your direct material. Then it is office salary, which will be taken care of the office and administration department. Chargeable expenses, which is the other name of direct expenses. Loss on sale of plant. We are not dealing with any loss. So it is a financial item. Depreciation on plant will be taken under your factory overhead. Works stationery. Now please remember, what is this works stationery? Works stationery, because there is a works, you have to take it under your factory overhead. So bad debt will be taken under your selling and distribution overhead. Selling and distribution overhead. If there is any reserve on bad debt, then it will not be taken. Please remember these things. Reserve for bad debt will not be taken. So it is a financial item. Reserve for bad debts will not be taken. It is a financial item. Okay. Then productive wage. So productive wage, it is a direct wage. Bad debts recovered. So bad debts which are recovered also will not be taken, I believe. Just a minute. Let me check. Yes, it is a financial item. It is only just bad debts will be taken. Then after that, debt collection charges. Debt collection charges it means you have given on loan. You are selling your goods on loan. You want to collect that particular amount. So a person is being sent to collect all these things. His petrol charges, his salary charges will come under this debt collection charges, which will go under your selling and distribution. Dividend received, it is a financial item. Haulage, it is a factory overhead. I think I've already taught you what is haulage. Haulage is nothing but from one particular machine to another particular machine. When it is transferred, you are using it is not just a vehicle. You can see ತಳ್ಳೋ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಮಷೀನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಷೀನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಅದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ. Rectification cost, again it will go to factory. Telephone charges, office. Scrap of material sold, it is deducted under your direct material. Okay, it is not, it is a material. Yes, so it will go to material. You can see a scrap sold which should be deducted under your material. Then you have samples and free goods under your selling and distribution. Income tax. So when it says income tax, it should be taken under yes, income tax will be a financial item. Ma'am, now you can have, ma'am, what is this income tax paid deducted at source? That is completely different. That will be taken under your direct wages. This is income tax paid, which is already paid. You have taken under your direct wages, which should be added. Here income tax, it is a financial item because it is not yet paid and it is not deducted at source. Please understand. Commission on sales will be taken under your selling and distribution. Legal charges will be taken under your office and administration. Sales, it is sales. 5,200 units is sold. In this particular problem, they have not given you the cost of the units which is produced. So you have to use your formula. What is the formula? Sales plus closing stock of finished goods minus your opening stock of finished goods. That is 5,200 units plus this will be the opening stock. This will be the closing stock. You will add 50 and you will deduct 250. That is 5,000. 5,200. I will just write it here. 5,200. You will add 50. You will deduct 250. So it is 5,000 units is produced. Okay. So coming back here, material will go to direct material. Work in progress material will go to direct material, direct wages, factory. Finished goods, that is after cost of production. Please remember 250 opening stock of the value is 12,050. Closing stock is 50. You have to take cost of production value. See here it is 50 rupees. Cost of production value should be taken. So it is Manu Cables Limited cost sheet. Output will be 5,000. You are writing all the cost of, that is direct material, what all should be here. Then you will write the wage. You will have your prime cost. Unproductive, you will write the factory overhead, what are the things should become. Works cost. After that, it is office and administration. You will have production cost or cost of production. You will add your opening stock of finished goods. You will less your closing stock of finished goods. And you will have production cost of goods sold. You will write your selling and distribution overhead. You will have total cost. After that, you will have your profits and sales. And you will write a note saying that what are the financial items. So students, in today's class we studied 3 problems. I want everything to be completed. There is yet another 2 problems should be completed, which is 19th and 20th problem. That will also be completed by tomorrow. I want your notes to be submitted on next Thursday. There is enough time. Yes? Okay students, hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.